Hi, I'm so glad you're here. I want to talk to you about the recipe for your best life. What is the recipe? Well, the recipe are the general guidelines or ingredients that I use when I'm helping my clients to feel their absolute best. So the ingredients are nutrition, mindset, movement, and stress management. Nutrition is about learning how to create and crave delicious, healthy meals with nutrient-dense whole foods. And these are the foods that are going to fuel your body and your brain so that you feel amazing. Mindset is so very important because I always say that I can give you recipes and awesome ingredients, but you need to start changing your mind in terms of how you look at food and how you look at your body. And it's really our mindset that is going to help us to make sustainable, long-lasting change. Movement, we know, is so very important for so many aspects of our life. We know that exercising produces the endorphins that make us feel good. It's also good for our immune system, good for our joints, and so much more. And so, but everybody's movement is going to be different, just like everybody's nutritional requirements are going to be different. So even though I have a general recipe with general ingredients, each of my clients is treated individually because no two people are alike. And the last item, which most people tend not to look into, is stress management. And that is so, so important because we can be doing a whole lot of great things, really good things for our bodies and our brain. But if we don't get a handle on our stress management, it's really not going to pay off. So we've got to look at techniques that we can use that are short and something that you're going to do every day. And they make such a difference in your life in terms of how you deal with things, in terms of your resiliency. So I can't wait to share this recipe with you, and I look forward to working with you.